Natural lighting is one of the most sought-after features in modern home design, and in sunny Gainesville, the way you position your windows can dramatically influence how bright and welcoming your home feels. The right window placement not only enhances aesthetics but also improves energy efficiency, mood, and overall comfort. Why window placement matters. The placement of windows determines how much natural light enters a space, how evenly it's distributed, and when different rooms get the most sunlight. Poorly placed windows can result in dim interiors during the day, while strategic placement can reduce the need for artificial lighting and create a more uplifting environment. For Gainesville homeowners, where sunlight is plentiful most of the year, optimizing window locations can also help regulate indoor temperatures and save on energy bills. Understanding Gainesville's sun path. Knowing the sun's movement throughout the day is key to deciding where to place windows. In Gainesville, east-facing windows capture soft, warm morning light, ideal for kitchens, breakfast areas, and home offices. South-facing windows provide the most consistent daylight year-round, perfect for living rooms or spaces where you want steady brightness. West-facing windows catch strong afternoon sun, which can be beautiful but also warm. Shading or tinted glass may be needed. North-facing windows offer gentle, indirect light, great for bedrooms, studios, or spaces where you want minimal glare. By aligning window placement with the sun path, you can tailor lighting to suit each room's purpose. Boosting energy efficiency through smart placement. Natural light doesn't just brighten interiors, it can help regulate indoor temperatures. In Gainesville's warm climate, strategic window placement can help reduce cooling costs. Limit large west-facing windows to prevent late-day heat gain. Pair south-facing windows with overhangs or shades to block harsh summer sun while still letting in winter light. Use clear-story windows, placed high on the wall, to bring in daylight without direct glare. Smart placement reduces dependence on artificial lighting and air conditioning, making your home more eco-friendly and cost-efficient. Creating balanced light in each room. Uneven lighting can create dark corners and overexposed areas. To achieve balance, mix window heights. Pair standard windows with transom or picture windows for layered light. Use multiple smaller windows instead of one large one to evenly spread daylight. Consider interior layouts so furniture placement doesn't block natural light pathways. Balanced lighting creates a welcoming, functional space that feels open and airy. Enhancing curb appeal and interior design. From the outside, window placement influences your home's architectural style. Symmetrical placement often conveys a traditional look, while varied heights and groupings create a more modern aesthetic. Inside, well-placed windows can highlight focal points, like a scenic backyard or a decorative wall, while still maintaining privacy with strategic positioning. Working with a professional for optimal results. While homeowners can envision where they'd like light to flow, a professional window installer or designer can account for Gainesville's unique climate, building codes, and your home's orientation. They'll help choose the right glass types, frames, and placement strategies to maximize both beauty and functionality. Final thoughts. In Gainesville, where sunshine is abundant, window placement plays a huge role in creating bright, energy-efficient, and inviting homes. By considering the sun's path, balancing light in each room, and working with an expert, you can transform your living space into one that feels naturally illuminated all year long.